Hey there, and welcome to today's lesson. In this lesson, I will be introducing you to a jump rope move that you can add into your regular jump rope routine. Now, this move is called the greater than and the less than, which will require you doing it on your left side as well as your right side. So that's what the move looks like. Now let me break it down. In order for you to be able to achieve the greater than and the less than move, you need to learn three basic foundational moves. Now your first basic foundational move is the basic bounce. If you don't already know how to do the basic bounce, I have a video teaching how to do the basic bounce. But for the course of this video, I will demonstrate what the basic bounce would look like. The basic bounce is your foundation move in any jump rope workout that you want to do. It's like, that's the first thing you should learn how to do before any other move. And this is what the basic bounce looks like. You want to jump high enough to clear the rope, shoulders relaxed, and you're swinging the rope from your wrists. Now you want to do this a couple of times and then feel comfortable with it, and then you can move into the second move. Now the second move you should be comfortable with is the single leg hop. Now the single leg hop requires you jumping on one foot while the other foot is raised up. Now you want your foot to be in front in an angle, not behind this way. It has to be like this. Demonstrating what that would look like this. Now, once you're comfortable with one foot, you want to switch to the other foot to have that seamless transition between one foot to another foot, okay? Doing that in motion would look like this. Now in the demonstration I just did, I jumped for 10 counts before switching to the other leg. Now over time you become very comfortable, and then you can reduce each rep so that you alternate between each foot. The ultimate goal in doing the single leg hop would also help you in achieving the high knees, which looks like this. Now, in order for you to achieve that, you still need to learn how to do the single leg hop. Now, that is move 2 in your moves to understand before doing the greater than and less than. Let's jump into move 3. Now, for move 3, you want to learn how to do the basic high knees. Now, I call it the basic high knees because you are required to do a basic jump before raising your knees high. So, with your basic bounce, which would look like this, this is your basic bounce. And now basic high knees requires you one basic, one high, one basic, one high, one basic, one high, one basic. Now in motion, it will look like this. Now what you just witnessed was a combination of our first move, which is the basic bounce, and the second move, which is the single leg hop. Adding both moves together would give us the basic high knees. Now 3 moves together is the basic bounce, the single leg hop, and then the basic high knees. This would guide you into learning how to do the greater than and less than. Now putting all this in action, I want you to get used to this drill, and then I will take you through the greater than and less than. The drill we will be doing today is your basic high knees, but with a twist. You're going to drop it in front of you and drop it beside you, as to you coming back into a basic bounce. Let me explain. This is your basic high knees. With the basic bounce in place, you want to raise your leg up, basic, raise your leg up, basic, raise your leg up. Now, what you want to practice as your drill is, instead of dropping basic bounce, you want to drop side and out. Side, let's do that again. Basic, high knees, basic, high knee, basic, high knees, basic, high knees. So you see, I'm still human. I trip over the rope as well. Let's do this again. High knees, basic, high, basic. Now, side drop, beside you, drop, in front of you, drop for 4 counts, other leg. 1, drop, 2, drop. Steven. But you get the idea. So let me do this again, right to left. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Basic, high, side. 3 and 4. That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, this is the drill you want to get comfortable with. You want to do this a couple of times. Once you get comfortable with it, you will be able to go in the speed of whatever song that you're playing or how your workout is playing in your head. Doing it with full speed would look like this. That's the drill I want you to practice. And if you want me to go on with this tutorial, drop a comment and I will show you what part 2 would look like. Thank you for watching.